Cosmic shock. A star seems to be nearer to Earth than Voyager 1 and 2. In a groundbreaking revelation that has left the scientific community in awe, astronomers have discovered a star that seems to have approached Earth more closely than the Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft. This development is not only surprising but also raises fundamental questions about our understanding of the stars in our galactic neighborhood and the vastness of space itself. Could it be possible that a star, a celestial object we generally associate with far-off distances measured in light years, has come so close that it is now nearer than the farthest human-made objects, Voyager 1 and 2? As unlikely as it seems, recent findings suggest that this cosmic event could indeed be reality. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have been the furthest-reaching symbols of human exploration, traveling farther from Earth than any other spacecraft. But the notion of a star coming closer to us than these two spacecraft is truly cosmic in its magnitude. In this article, we will explore the details of this shocking discovery, how it was made, and what it could mean for our understanding of both space and the objects within it. The legacy of Voyager 1 and 2. Before diving into the mind-blowing revelation of this near-Earth star, it is important to appreciate the historical significance and legacy of the Voyager missions. Launched by NASA in 1977, the Voyager spacecraft were originally designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system. Voyager 1 flew by Jupiter and Saturn, while Voyager 2 achieved the distinction of being the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune. Both spacecraft went on to become pioneers of interstellar exploration, venturing beyond the bounds of our solar system. In 2012, Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, and Voyager 2 followed suit in 2018. Now billions of kilometers away, both Voyagers continue to send data back to Earth, providing invaluable information about the outermost edges of our solar system and the mysterious regions beyond. Voyager 1 is currently more than 23.3 billion kilometers, 14.5 billion miles, away from Earth, while Voyager 2 is over 19.4 billion kilometers, 12.1 billion miles, away. These distances, which are hard to even comprehend in the context of everyday experience, place the Voyagers well beyond the influence of our sun's solar wind. For decades, they have represented humanity's furthest outposts in the universe. And yet, despite these vast distances, the idea that a star may now be nearer to Earth than either Voyager 1 or 2 has thrown everything we thought we knew about the local space environment into question. A star closer than Voyager? How is this possible? So how could a star, a stellar object usually located trillions of kilometers or even light-years away, be closer to Earth than the Voyager probes? This unprecedented scenario begins to make more sense when we consider the nature of the star in question and the mechanics of stellar motion. Stars, like all objects in the galaxy, are constantly in motion. They orbit the center of the Milky Way, moving through space at varying speeds depending on their mass, trajectory, and interactions with other celestial bodies. While most stars are located light-years away from Earth, some smaller, dimmer stars may be located much closer than we realize. The discovery of this nearby star suggests that it could be a brown dwarf, a failed star that did not accumulate enough mass to ignite hydrogen fusion at its core. Brown dwarfs are often referred to as substellar objects because they lie somewhere between the most massive planets and the smallest stars. Due to their low luminosity, they are extremely difficult to detect with traditional optical telescopes. What makes this discovery even more shocking is that this star could be a rogue star, an object that has been ejected from its stellar system or home galaxy and is now wandering through interstellar space. If a rogue star were to pass through the outer reaches of our solar system, it could indeed come closer to Earth than the Voyagers, which are still relatively close to the Sun in astronomical terms. The nature of the star, red dwarf or brown dwarf. Although the precise details of this star's identity are still under investigation, early indications suggest that it may be either a red dwarf or a brown dwarf. Both types of stars are known for their low temperatures and dim light, which makes them difficult to detect at great distances. Red dwarfs. Red dwarfs are small, cool stars that can live for trillions of years. Despite their relatively long lifespans, red dwarfs emit far less light and heat than larger stars like our Sun. This makes them faint and difficult to spot, even though they are the most common type of star in the Milky Way galaxy. If this near-Earth object is indeed a red dwarf, it would be an extremely significant discovery because it could help astronomers learn more about the distribution and behavior of red dwarfs in our galaxy. Brown dwarfs. Brown dwarfs, on the other hand, are often considered failed stars. They do not have enough mass to sustain the nuclear fusion that powers stars like the Sun. Instead, brown dwarfs radiate faintly in the infrared spectrum due to the residual heat from their formation. Over time, they cool and fade, becoming nearly invisible. Due to their low luminosity, brown dwarfs have long been considered elusive objects, with many potentially hiding in the outskirts of our solar system. The star that has been detected near Earth is likely to be one of these two types of objects. Its discovery suggests that there may be more dim, faint objects in our solar neighborhood than previously thought, raising new questions about the hidden population of stars and substellar objects near our solar system. The discovery: how astronomers detected the nearby star. The detection of this nearby star was made possible by advancements in infrared astronomy. Traditional optical telescopes are limited in their ability to detect faint, cool objects like brown dwarfs or red dwarfs. However, infrared telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and ground-based observatories, are designed to pick up the heat signatures of these objects, even if they are not emitting much visible light. Astronomers were able to detect this star using data from infrared sky surveys, which scan the universe for heat signatures rather than light. Follow-up observations confirmed that the object was indeed a star and that it had passed close to Earth, within a distance shorter than the current location of Voyager 1. This discovery highlights the importance of continuous monitoring of our cosmic environment. While the Voyagers continue their historic journey into the unknown, they are by no means alone in the vast expanse of space. Dim objects like brown dwarfs and red dwarfs could be passing through the solar system's outer regions without being noticed, unless specifically searched for in the infrared spectrum. What are the implications of this discovery? The discovery of a star passing closer to Earth than Voyager 1 and 2 has wide-ranging implications, both for our understanding of the galaxy and for the future of space exploration. 1. A new understanding of nearby stars. This discovery challenges our assumptions about the stars closest to our solar system. Until now, the nearest known stars were the Proxima Centauri system, located about 4.24 light-years away. However, the idea that a previously unknown star could have passed so close to Earth forces astronomers to rethink the distribution of stars in our local space environment. It also raises questions about the existence of other nearby stars that may have gone undetected. Could there be more rogue stars or brown dwarfs moving through the outer reaches of our solar system? If so, these objects could have a significant impact on our understanding of the gravitational dynamics of the galaxy. 2. The possibility of future stellar encounters. The discovery of a star passing so close to Earth also raises the possibility that such events could happen more frequently than we previously thought. In the distant past, close encounters with stars may have had a profound impact on the formation of the solar system and the distribution of comets and asteroids in the Oort cloud. While this particular star does not pose an immediate threat to Earth, future stellar encounters could have significant consequences for our solar system. A passing star could disturb the orbits of comets in the Oort cloud, potentially sending some on a collision course with the inner solar system. This has led some astronomers to suggest that future close encounters with rogue stars could lead to an increase in comet impacts on Earth. 3. New questions about Voyager's journey. The Voyagers have long been celebrated as humanity's first interstellar travelers. But this discovery of a star closer than Voyager challenges the idea that these spacecraft are the furthest-reaching objects in our cosmic neighborhood. While they remain the furthest human-made objects from Earth, they are no longer the closest observers of interstellar space. As the Voyagers continue their journey, they will eventually pass through the local interstellar medium, a region of space filled with gas, dust, and other materials between the stars. The discovery of a star so close to Earth raises new questions about what other surprises may lie ahead for these spacecraft as they venture further into the unknown. Could this star pose a threat to Earth? One of the first questions that comes to mind when hearing about a star passing so close to Earth is whether it could pose any danger to our planet. Fortunately, astronomers have confirmed that this star does not present any immediate threat. It has already passed its closest point to Earth, and is now moving away. However, the gravitational influence of a star passing through the outer solar system could have subtle but significant effects on objects in the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a distant, spherical shell of icy bodies that extends far beyond the orbit of Pluto. If a star were to pass through this region, it could disturb the orbits of comets and send some of them hurtling toward the inner solar system. Such a scenario is believed to have occurred in the past, when a close encounter with another star may have triggered a period of intense comet activity in the inner solar system. While the likelihood of a catastrophic event remains low, the discovery of this nearby star serves as a reminder that our solar system is not isolated from the rest of the galaxy and that stellar encounters can have real consequences. What's next? The search for more nearby stars. The discovery of this star passing closer to Earth than Voyager 1 and 2 has sparked renewed interest in the search for other nearby stars and substellar objects. Astronomers are now using infrared telescopes to conduct more detailed surveys of the sky, looking for other dim objects that may have gone undetected by previous optical surveys. In addition to brown dwarfs and red dwarfs, astronomers are also searching for rogue planets, planets that have been ejected from their host star systems and are now wandering through interstellar space. Like brown dwarfs, rogue planets are difficult to detect due to their low temperatures and lack of light. However, infrared telescopes like the JWST have the ability to detect the faint heat signatures of these objects, making it possible to find them even at great distances. Conclusion: a new era of cosmic exploration. The discovery that a star has passed closer to Earth than Voyager 1 and 2 marks the beginning of a new era of cosmic exploration. As our ability to observe the universe improves, we are finding that the galaxy is far more dynamic and complex than we ever imagined. Stars and other celestial objects are constantly moving, interacting, and influencing one another in ways that we are only beginning to understand. The revelation that a star could come so close to Earth without being detected until now challenges our assumptions about the local space environment and opens the door to new discoveries about the hidden population of stars and substellar objects in our galaxy. As astronomers continue to search the skies for more nearby objects, we can expect more surprises and breakthroughs in our understanding of the universe. In the meantime, the Voyager spacecraft will continue their historic journey into the unknown, representing humanity's enduring quest to explore the cosmos. While they may no longer be the closest observers of interstellar space, their legacy as pioneers of space exploration remains undiminished. Each new discovery, whether it's a passing star or a distant planet, brings us one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe and understanding our place within it.